Welcome to the channel and to another exciting video.
Imagine this, creating lifelike lip-sync animations for your videos. Sounds cool, right? Today, we're talking about Kling AI, an incredible tool that's all about making your videos feel real. The built-in lip-sync feature creates a natural effect for any uploaded voiceover or song, making your character look like they're actually speaking or singing. Let's dive into how Kling AI works and why it's blowing everyone's minds. There are two main options, image to video and text to video. For this video, let's go with image to video. I'll use an image of a little boy and type a quick prompt. After setting everything up, I'll generate a video. Once the video's created, we get a clip of the little boy walking. Now, let's make him speak. I'll click on Match Mouth Type. For perfect lip syncing, drop in a voice clip for dubbing. I have created the voiceover with 11labs.io and hit lip sync. It costs 10 credits, and according to Kling AI, it takes around 5 to 10 minutes. But it's usually ready in just 2 to 3. And let's check out the results.
Hello, this voice is created by Kling AI. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like.
Wow! The voice is seamlessly matched to the lips, and it's like he's really talking. Perfect sync and totally natural. Let's try this with a familiar face, none other than Johnny Depp. I'll create a video using an image of Johnny, keeping the settings the same as before. Once the video is generated, it's time to activate the lip sync feature again for that perfect touch. I upload the audio file which I have created by using 11labs.io, start the synchronization, and let the magic happen. Let's see how it turned out. Hello! This voice is created by Kling AI. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Wow, that's incredible. The words are syncing perfectly with his lip movements. It looks so real. Here's a hot new update from Kling AI that you're going to love. They've just added a text-to-speech feature that comes at no extra cost. This means we no longer need a separate audio generator to create voiceovers. I have written a prompt for voiceover. Everything's right here, ready to go. And that's not all. Kling AI has a library full of voice options. You can choose from male, female, boy, girl, kid voices, and more. Each voice has its own unique accent, and you can even listen to them first to find the perfect fit for your video. So, let's try it out. I'm going with a kid's voice for this video. I've picked the Candy voice. There's even a slider to adjust the voice speed, but I'll keep it set at 1 for a natural flow. Now, I'll hit lip sync, and Kling AI will work its magic creating and synchronizing the voice to match every lip movement perfectly. All right, let's check out the final result.
Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel and to another exciting video.
The lip sync is spot on, and the voice sounds supernatural. Try Kling AI for yourself, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.